You know Zoom. How about Miro on Zoom? That's right. Collaborative online whiteboarding is now available on your video calls. It's like you're working together, side by side, without stressing about your coffee breath. Share ideas, solve problems, and bring the team together. Yes, Sadie, feel the power. These aren't on-mute meetings. These are active meetings. Show up and bring it meetings. Love that energy, Hisham. Whether you're preparing intergalactic space travel or rethinking lemonade stands, collaborate on another level. This is co-creation, supercharged. Miro and Zoom. Get involved.